Welcome to BSc Statistics students. Uh, in this lesson, I explain one more problem on mathematical expectations. So you see the problem here, problem 2 I'm explaining. If two dice are thrown, find the expected value of sum of number of points on the faces of them, that is on the two faces of dice. What are the numbers are going to be observed and their sum it is going to be considered, for which you have to calculate expected value, the sum of the expected value of sum of the number of points. Okay, that is required to calculate. So therefore you have to see the and observe the random variable and the values of the random variable. The random variable is sum of the number of points. So you consider in the solution part. In the solution part, if you consider uh, the random variable, first of all, you consider x. X is the number of the sum of the number of the points. Sum of the number of points. Number of points on the two faces of the dice. That is what you consider. And by considering this, what would be the sum of the uh, number of points on the two faces of the dice? So there are two particular dice are thrown, and 1 and 2, and if you get there are 6 faces on the dice, and on the 6 faces we have 6 different points, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So therefore minimum number will be, if you get 1 here, if you get and 1 in another particular also, another dice also, then 1 plus 1 it is 2 minimum, plus it is equivalent to be 2. This is what the minimum number. The maximum number is here in the face of the one face of the dice it is 6. If another face of the dice also 6 points, then the 12 points the maximum. So therefore this is what the required maximum value. So therefore random variable x takes the values 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. up to 12. So at a very particular point, you have to now calculate the probability. So what I'm doing is, I'm considering x values here, probability of x here. To calculate expected value, that is expectation of x, then I'm calculating x into p of x. Okay, these are the 3 columns I calculate. First of all, I calculate what is the probability for from 2 to 12. Okay, from 2 to 12, how the probability is going to be calculated, we observe here. For example, first 2, 3, I write the values. For example, first now 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Up to here is enough. Okay, I close here, and right, and then okay. If you observe here, this is the sum of the face on two faces of the dice, sum of the points on the two faces of the dice. If you get one in how many possibilities are there? You observe here. In one particular dice, it may be one. Another particular dice also it is one. Then only this possibility occurs. So only one possibility, 1 comma 1. If you write the combinations like 1 comma 1, this is the favorable number of outcomes only for getting sum is 2 out of total number of that is outcomes. If you consider from 1 1 to 6 6 is only the favorable one. Total outcomes are 6 square, that is 36. 6 square, that is 36. We know I write one combination 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5, and 1 comma 6. The total combinations in which getting 2, sum is 2, combination is only 1. Similarly 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6. Similarly with 3, 3 1, 3 2, 3 4, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5, 3 6. Similarly for 4, 5, 6. So 6 square, 36 combinations, 36 total outcomes are there for this event. So now for the sample space for this experiment, for this samples for this random experiment, tossing two particular, throwing two particular dice, random experiment. The total number of outcomes are 36, in which we are observing for getting 2. That is 2 means the sum is 2 on the two particular face values of the dice. So that is 2. Only possibility is 1 comma 1. Therefore, the probability is 1 by 36. So the next one, if you consider sum is 3, the possibility is 1 2 and 2 1 here. 1 2 and 2 1. So therefore 2. Hence it is 2 by 36. If you come over here for the next one, 4, sum is 4. For 1 3 in the first one and 2 2 in the second one and 3 1 in the first one, 3 1 in the third possibilities, then there is another possibility 3 1, 3 1 2 2 1 3. So therefore 3 by 36 the probability. Similarly, if you calculate for 5, if you see combinations 1 by 1, for from the one combination 1 4, then 2 3 in the second combination 2 3, thereafter in 3 combination 3 2, okay, in the 4 combination it is 4 1. So this one, this one, this one, this one, 1 4 2 3 3 2 4 1, the 4 combination, 4 possibilities, 4 by 36 the probability. Similarly, it is if you consider for 6, it is 5 by 36. If it is for 7, it is 6 by 36. If it is for 8, again it can reduce, it is say 5 by 36. For 9, it is 4 by 36. For 10, it is 3 by 36. It is for 11, it is 2 by 36. It is 36, not 26. 12, it is 1 by 36. 12, the combination 6 and 6. 11 combination 5 and 6 and 6 and 5. So 2 combination, 2 particular possibilities, 2 by 36, 1 by 36, like that. Now you can calculate, these are the probabilities we have calculated. And now you can calculate x into p of x. 2 into 1 by 36, 2 by 36. 2 3s, 6 by 36. 3 4s, 12 by 36. 5 4s, 20 by 36. 5 6, 30 by 36. 7 6, 42 by 36. 5 8s, 40 by 36. 9 4s, 36 by 36. 10 3s, 30 by 36. 2 11s, 22 by 36. 12 1s, 12 by 36. Now you calculate summation x into p of x. If you calculate here, it is equivalent to b. It is nothing but, if you add all this and take an LCM 36, and so that you will get 252 by 36. It will be 7. So therefore, expectation of x, I write here clearly. Therefore, expectation of x, expectation of sum of the number of points on the two faces of the dice, it is nothing but summation x into p of x is equivalent to b, from x takes the values from 2 to 12. Okay, from this is the formula, it is going to be calculated. It is nothing but the answer we have calculated in the table. The answer is 7. If you understand, this is what the way to calculate this particular problem, the expected value. Thank you.